by consumers. With a wide range of advanced equipments, such as laser cutting machine, OTC welding robot, AMASA CNC turret punch and bending machine, as well as high-quality technicians, we ensure that our products' quality and credibility have always been the objective we pursue. We are looking forward to meeting more discerning customers in the world, and we are enjoying the time to work with them to come up with a proposal specification of the boats. It is based on our powerful, self-enhancing belief of our products. We build each vessel with marine-grade aluminum material, which ensure them to be the most operator-friendly and best-performing vessel. If you are looking for a most reliable partner of the sea, just come to us. We're excited to help you to enjoy the lifestyle and drive your dreams. Shandong Sea King Boat Technology Development, Production, Sales and Service to produce all kinds of high-quality aluminum boats. The company is located in Qingdao, China. We have been focusing on the development and production of high-quality aluminum boats. With more than 77 staffs and 2 workshops covering an area of 6,500 square meters. More than 1,000 units boats were produced every year, and our products have been exported to many countries in the world. High-quality products and excellent services have been widely praised.